Hello everyone. Now, this is the app that we've all been waiting for. We have now added time tracker to our apps marketplace in Stackby. Now, if you're running your project management, whether you're managing your internal projects or you're managing projects for your clients, and you want to track how much time a particular task or a project has taken by a particular team member in your team. So how do we track time? Till today, we did not have any support for time tracking in Stackby until now. So if you go to your apps dashboard, what I've done is I've created a new time tracker dashboard, and here I can create a new app. Now you will see in your apps marketplace, there is time tracker. You click on add app. You can select in the time tracker settings from the table, which table that you want to choose from. Here I've chosen the projects table. The view is all projects. So I need to have a duration field. So this is the the mandatory field that you need to have, where once you track the time, that time will essentially go into the duration field. So you basically add a duration field into your table. So I've just added one. You select that, and then you select a start date field and a collaborator field. So here I've selected lead as a collaborator, and I click on done. So you see there is a very simple button called start tracking. So if I now add this button, so you will see, let's just say I click on start tracking, and here I want to say track for Apple Headpad project. So basically the time tracker just starts. So we'll just make it run for, let's just say 10 seconds or so. And I click on stop tracking. So as soon as you stop tracking, you essentially see that 12 seconds has been added to the duration column type right here. So if suppose you want to start tracking again for Apple Headpad, so it will start from the 12 seconds. And I stop tracking now. So this moved to 20 seconds. So this is how, you can basically time track within, Stackby, and you will see that here in lead, Rachit Khator is automatically added in the lead column type, and the start date also remains what you have already chosen. So now you can use this app for all sorts of purposes to track your time, to track wherever there is a requirement for time on your particular tickets, whether you're managing your projects or your sprints or your tasks or your activities, or even like sales follow-ups. You can use this time tracker app and keep track of all your team members' time for each of those activities. So let's just start again and show you the different things. So I can even choose to add a new record here. Let's just say for ebook development, time gets started. I can pause this as well, and then I can resume it. I can cancel it, or even I can expand this record right from this app. So stop tracking. That's it. On ebook development, you will see 16 seconds have been added. So feel free to use this app and let us know what you think.